everyone. My presentation is focused on the glass collection in the Belgium HORECA. So I'm happy to share with you some insights on this subject. Okay. So Vanheede is a little bit about Vanheede. So we are a 100% family-owned company that has been collecting and processing non-hazardous and hazardous waste streams for 55 years. On the one hand, we are logistically active in Belgium and in the north of France with 14 logistic centers. And on the other hand, our customers for our processing plants comes from different countries such as Belgium, France, Netherlands, Luxembourg, Germany, and the UK. Some key figures. We collect and process more than 1 million tons of waste, divided into more than 2,300 different waste materials or waste streams. Of this 1 million tons, almost 600,000 tons were used as reusable materials. And we produce green energy for more than 13,000 households through various activities such as biogas and landfill gas production. We have more than 850 employees representing a consolidated turnover of 180 million euros. The Group Vanheede is structured in 9 business units. We have commercial and industrial waste active that is active in the collection and transfer of non-hazardous waste coming from industry. We have special waste management unit engaged in the collection and sorting of hazardous waste. We have also a household waste collection activity providing logistic services for collection of household waste. We have a material recycling facility or recover facility that is our automated sorting installations for mixed packaging waste and industrial residual waste. Our plastic recycling activity is the recycling, mainly processing polyolefins. We have also an organic recycling facility, includes our depacking plants for packaged food waste and our biogas plants. We have also a chemical recycling activity, but mostly a pretreatment of waste for further processing in chemical recycling plants. And finally, landfill. We have our own landfill, and it's its final element in waste management. We have also business units active in renewable energy and includes all our activities involved in energy and heat production, such as gas engine, wind turbines, and solar panels. Vanheede operates in various sectors, both industrial and intercommunal, and one of these is the hospitality and leisure sector, or in other words, the HORECA sector. Little bit about a brief word on the regulation in Belgium. So for regulation of waste collection and processing, we have 3 regional levels, so we have to take also in account 3 different legislations in Belgium. But Belgium goes for 100% sorting at the source. So firstly, in Flanders, industrial and commercial waste must be collected individually and at source in 24 different waste streams. So every company has to sort out 24 different waste streams. Including glass. The major challenge, of course, is to collect small volumes in an economical way. In Wallonian, in the Walloon region, we have 15 waste streams that has to be collected selectively, and in Brussels, 16 waste streams. In these regions, also glass must be collected individually. So, concerning packaging waste or glass collection in Belgium, we have commercial and industrial packaging and household packaging. In Belgium, we have 2 accredited organizations for the extended producer responsibility for packaging. Valipack is responsible for the commercial and industrial packaging, and Vosplus is responsible for the household packaging. So Valipack is responsible for the volumes and packaging collected and recycled, such as cardboard, wood, foil, and metal. This is a free system, and it works with incentives. Vosplus is responsible for the volume packaging collected and recycled, such as glass, cardboard, plastics, bottles, metal cans, and beverage cartons. These costs for collection and recycling are entirely covered by FOS+, but the revenues come from the green DOS system and also the revenues from the recycled packaging. An exception is glass collected from commercial and industrial companies. This is an open market where the private industry can collect the glass, but we must report it to the FOS+ organization. When we look at the numbers in Belgium, this results in the following statistics. And if you can see, we do it super well in Belgium because we collect more glass than is put on the market. This is due to glass entering the Belgian market from companies by non-members of the green DOS system, but mainly coming from private consumers importing beverages in glass from abroad. So when we look at the supply chain for glass in Belgium, the HORECA industry consumes glass and collect it separately. The glass container is emptied on demand, where we transfer the glass to a transfer center. And via bulk transport, we transport it to sorting plants where they break, sort, and clean the glass. And then finally, the glass is delivered to the factory for making new bottles. From Vanheede, we offer HORECA. We offer to the HORECA industry an appropriate solutions for every waste stream. The most common waste streams are organic waste collected in small wheelie bins, residual cardboard waste collected in 660 liter wheelie bins, plastic packaging and metal packaging, drink cartons collected in sacks, and finally glass is collected in a glass container, and finally frying oil collected in plastic drums. So we offer a range of solutions to our customers. So more in detail, the glass collection by Vanheede, we offer a wide range of type of containers above or even below ground. We can go from 140 liters to 240 liters, where we exchange the container, but also going from 1,000 liters to 5,000 liters, which the container is emptied. And even when it is more, we have also containers from 10,000 to 20,000 liters, where we transport and collect the glass in bulk. We have no obligation on fixed frequency, so the emptying or exchange is on demand. But we apply a fixed rental price per month and a fixed exchange or emptying price. In case of exchange, there is a combination possible also with other waste streams, so we can collect different waste streams in one stop. Some numbers: we have around about 1,200 containers for glass collection, and we have around about 8,600 exchanges or empties in 2022. And in total, we collect only from HORECA glass around about 1,700 tons of glass. Some challenges for glass collection in HORECA. There is often limited surface for putting the containers. Waste containers are also not the prettiest objects to look at. And we have in Belgium also a free alternative through the ERP system FOS+, but in principle it's not allowed. It's only for household glass. Also, there are some local initiatives by intercommunals. We've seen often staff carrying small volumes of glass to the daily collective collection points, and there is an obligation for individual collection, but at this moment there is a lack of control, so we see some opportunities to collect more glass in Belgium. I hope you found it informative, engaging. When you have more questions or want more information, feel free to contact me. Thank you very much.